again, nagpakita ng compete itong Bulacan.
Later on, your Ilagan Isabela Cowboys will be going up against Parañaque Patriots still here in the MPBL. One guy we haven't seen is Herald Benedictos in the ball game.
I was going to say the same.
Drive hard is good. The latest addition coming from Talisay City, Cebu. The homegrown already has 4 points here in the ball game. Beautiful
Nice.
pass,
Yeah.
but the block by Chavez. Cutting to the lane. He's gotten a block down low off the help side. Maraming kayang ibigay ito.
Yeah.
Coach Mike. We'll see. Gets the 3. Meneses. Turnover. Galing kay Mark. Bola ay nakuha ni Itchy. Attacking. Gets the bomb. 2 free throws for Itchy. Can't finish. Andre pushes. Benedictos drives. Ball is slapped. The ball goes back to Cebu. Chavez driving to the middle.
Look at that zone defense, though.
Probably just a little bit more adjustment. Playing time for Kenneth Castillo. Middle 3 is long. CJ Payawal out of nowhere, but it's blocked by Castillo. Second chance.
And be honest with the defense, I don't think he's going to do anything.
It's only the 3rd foul on Cebu. But Jem Cruz off the baseline. Strong hard drive. The digital wallet built for the community. Screen for Marge is swiped from behind. Armenion with the basketball.
There you go.
Oh, Josh Marleo can't get in control. Tamsi, 3 versus 2 behind the back. Ariyar, kinulang. 3 ties is no good. Josh, Cruz, drive, float,
Ganda.
able to get the basket is Jem Cruz. Medina with 6. Uses the screen. Medina stops, pops, and goes out for Tristan Medina.